Kan National Education Policy NEP Araja Arpo benta kala traikam hak Islam puli boper nak benta ban kentiu ya ka puli puti hak jalla Henry dang don nak nohikai college but nohikai school boper ki bat don ha padang ka jingsa umdum halor ka jing pentraikam ka policy hak Islam jing puli puti Kani kalapau haka arpuai teri ukula lengkot araja arpusan nak jingyo lat ki nohikai ban pensngau hau CP marak IFS bola syongtat u chairman ke embos halor ke jingsa umdum ya ka rukam traikam ke NEP bat ban pan jing pensai kumno ban penyat bet penyat renti ya ka NEP hak Islam pulih Ya kani lapan sengau hak sengi jing kenduk lang ki nohikai ke bala penlong da ka Lovely Professional University LPU Punjab haringkat ke jing trai lang ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS St Anthony's College Shillong.
So I want to ask some questions regarding why the government implement this NEP first at the higher level but not at the fundamental stage. That is my question.
We feel that the students that we have enrolled at the higher level, it is from the old policy. So it's the fact remains that there are a lot of challenges, and of course we have to deal with it. And even with the students, they are facing a lot of problems, and sometimes they feel like quitting their education because they don't understand. Regarding with this NEP, we have to implement it. We have to implement it as soon as possible, and I feel that sometimes without proper planning, but we are left with no choice. We have to do it, and I feel that we still have to deal with this problem, as Sir has mentioned that now it is like we will start implementing at the school level, but it will slowly it will come up because I feel that till now, even at the higher secondary level, NEP has not yet been implemented.
Honorable Chief Minister, he has unveiled that content for the early childhood development. That report or that the content of the for the early childhood development. So it's a beginning. So that content probably will help in that class in 5, the initial 3+2, I mean that first 5. The NCERT books we have introduced right from class 1 to 12. NCERT books we have adopted, and the local content, particularly for social science, that is being worked out by the DERT. But as far as the other core subjects are concerned, English, maths, English is there, maths is there. So for this, we have already adopted the NCERT textbooks. So now the students here in the Meghalaya also, the same textbook which is read by the students in Delhi or by the students in Arunachal Pradesh or elsewhere, you have the same standard textbook. So this we have introduced from last year, 2024. So we have started slowly and gradually. Then the other issues relating to school, you have that, you must have read that the Government of India, Ministry of Education, they have done away with that automatic passing. So now that is exam for promotion is being reintroduced now by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. You see, what is it? Logical reasoning, situation, reaction, so many. So we try to incorporate at least 1 or 2 questions by which a student appearing in class 10 or class 12, he is familiar that, okay, next time when I sit for this entrance exam, I am already familiar with certain patterns of this question. So these are certain aspects of implementation of NEP, but if you are looking for implementation of NEP with full force, that you may not see, but something is happening slowly and steadily, because this is a transition stage. So in transition, a lot of teething problems crop up. So a lot of loose ends to tie up. So same thing in higher education also. So like that in school education also, this transition is going on. So slowly and steadily, these issues will be sorted out.
For this meet, you are taking all the difficulty and the pains to come to our state to enlighten us with the national education policy. So thank you so much once again. So, sir, this is my request to you. I request that at least the education department will take the pains to hold these kind of meets separately, especially for the secondary level schools, the higher secondary and the colleges. Because when we attend these meets, sometimes it is more related to the college level teachers, and I am a higher secondary teacher. So when we meet as higher secondary teachers, we have different interpretations from Shillong College. We have different interpretations of the national education policy. So some will give their own interpretation, others will give their own interpretation. So we don't have a clear-cut understanding, a universal understanding of how to really implement this NEP. And we would like and request the government to please organize these kind of meets so that we will understand the technicalities and then to enlighten us also how to go about with this NEP. Because till now, we are still, to tell you the truth, we are still in the dark how to really implement this. Especially when we talk about the introduction of the new syllabus, CBSE, question papers, how to set the question papers, the marks, allotment, and then with CUET. So we are really in the dark. So I request, being in your position, to please try to influence the department to organize these kind of meets.
We have given them exposition to a few selected teachers who are in our list, who had been in the panel for assessment, who had been in the panel for setting questions. So some of them they have been exposed to this implementation of NEP, and particularly examination reforms. And a few we have sent also to certain workshops conducted by NCERT. So as you have seen in the presentation by the Honorable CM also, we have, I don't know how many teachers in the school, more than 20, how many students, how many teachers in the school? More than some
14,000, I think, the number of teachers.
Teachers, yeah. So it's a huge number, and therefore it is like a small drop in the bucket of water or in the ocean that we are going to pick up. Yeah, so
55,000.
55,000 teachers in the school.
Yes.
Okay. So out of 55,000, we have been able to pick up very few, maybe a few hundreds only. And anyway, maybe next year a few more hundred, according to the capacity of the board to organize program like this. But definitely we can focus one for the, as we have suggested, one for the school, secondary school level, another one for the higher secondary level, then of course for the college and university level. So that exposure, that workshop, that can be thought of. Thank you.
And then while implementation, we don't reach that, but that's the goal of a policy. We will do that whenever time comes. So I think the best part of any organization or the powers that be should be that we will be able to look back at the policy that we have implemented at our level and take the corrective steps. Because seeing the Nehru, I personally feel, and I have made it known, that there are certain areas that still needs to be done.
Yes.
So since you are here, I have been looking at school education also in it's my own personal interest. since we are overhauling the system, I believe in the class 10, we have, for those who are a bit challenged, we have a maths which is not the regular maths, they do the class 7
Advanced and basic.
Basic.
Academic year onward, the board, we will be conducting 2 exams. The first exam, class 10 exam, that will start from February next month. We have already issued the routine. Then the improvement exam will be held in the month of May. And then from this year itself, the government have decided that the class 10 exam will be within the same academic year. That means by December, we will conduct another class 10 exam. And then probably the improvement sometime in February. So, so this is how we have partially, we have been slowly trying to implement the NEP. There are other issues like exam on demand. So those are issues that we need to further discuss. So we will not be able to, I won't be able to give commitment that yes, we are going to do it now or from next year or and so on. These are policy matters again. So it will require maybe some more time to deliberate and implement. So partially. So exams also we have started like that. But slowly and steadily we are doing it. We have slowly introduced. And the impact, what we are doing in class 1, you will have to wait for the fruit to bear in class 10, so 10 years. So you'll have to give 10 years, you'll have to give 12 years for the policy to see the impact of the policy.
But you're perfect, yes.
So 10 साल 12 साल के बाद फसल मिलेगा.
So वो तो policy document में it is written that we intend to implement it by 2040.
Yes.
So it is gradual process.
So फसल तो वही है.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.